Hello motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the Harley-Davidson V-Rod. With a legacy of blending raw power and cutting-edge technology, the V-Rod has always been a bike that sets the bar high. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the 2025 V-Rod, its features, performance, and what makes it stand out in the Harley lineup. Design and aesthetic. When it comes to design, Harley-Davidson is known for making a statement, and the V-Rod is no exception. The 2025 model boasts a sharp, aggressive look with a low-slung profile, bold lines, and a muscular stance. The streamlined bodywork enhances both the aesthetic and aerodynamics, making it the perfect balance of form and function. Available in a range of vibrant colors and custom options, this bike is as much about style as it is about performance. Engine and performing. Under the hood, the 2025 V-Rod comes with an upgraded 1,250cc V-twin engine, delivering a staggering 150 horsepower and 100 lp-ft of torque. The result? A bike that's not only quick off the line, but also smooth at high speeds. The latest iteration of the Revolution engine features enhanced cooling technology and improved fuel efficiency, ensuring you get both power and reliability for long rides. Harley's commitment to innovation shines through with the tech features of the 2025 V-Rod. The bike comes with a fully integrated digital display that includes ride modes, real-time data analytics, and customizable settings for the rider. Additionally, the V-Rod is equipped with a next-gen infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone integration, GPS, and more. Combined with an adaptive suspension system and advanced braking technology, it offers a ride that is not only fast, but also safe and comfortable. Riding experience, thrills on two wheels. So, what's it like to ride the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod? With a lowered ergonomic seat, the V-Rod offers a comfortable yet aggressive riding position. The smooth throttle response, coupled with the adjustable suspension, ensures a ride that's tailored to your preference. Whether you're carving up twisty roads or cruising on the highway, the V-Rod handles it all with ease, delivering an exhilarating and engaging experience from start to finish. A legacy of power. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod was first introduced in 2001 as a performance-driven cruiser, and it made waves with its liquid-cooled Revolution engine, a first for Harley. Fast forward to 2025, and the V-Rod continues to carry that legacy, now equipped with even more advanced technology, increased power, and a sleeker design. It's a bike that blends classic Harley style with modern engineering, offering an unmatched riding experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is more than just a bike, it's a statement. With a powerhouse engine, innovative technology, and a design that demands attention, this bike continues Harley's tradition of producing world-class motorcycles. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of Harley, the V-Rod is sure to leave an impression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest in the motorcycle world. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.